Bam. Good afternoon, good evening, possibly good morning to some folks. How are we all doing? It is Wednesday night. It's been a couple hours. Been a couple hours since the last stream. We are now here for the daily close, and probably just to chill out. Maybe we'll play some video games or something. But Bitcoin's just kind of hanging out above the bathtub. We'll see if Bath shows up today. But yeah, not much has happened since the last stream. We got 33 minutes till the daily close. Everything's just kind of taking a little breather. Let's see. Yeah, nothing crazy. Chili's is coming back down. Hopefully Hops took some profit. He's probably in a longer term trade though. You know, that's his business. Everything else pretty mellow. Bitcoin is coming down again. Let's take a look at the liquidation heat map once more. See, there's not really any liquidity down here though. That's my concern. Unless it comes all the way down here. 70 or 7.86 million. That's nothing. It's the grand scheme, I guess. They add all this up, it's probably quite a bit. I don't know. We got the Hurricane live cams. It's getting pretty spicy out there. Every single camera's shaking. Man. Definitely a crazy one. Hopefully Hoffs is safe. Hoping for a little bit of price action, at least in a minute when the 15-minute closes. Total 3 is kind of holding up a little better than expected. XRP price set to soar past 585. What are they talking about? Yeah, maybe this comes down for a W. Big W. Ooh, 4 hour looks nasty. So we would need within the next 30 minutes for this candle to dump quite a bit in order for the doomer fractal to stay relevant. Oh, we're switching feeds. That's kind of cool. Is that a car? Oh my gosh. What are they doing? Oh, that's kind of cool. They can switch between cameras. This one kind of looks like crap though. Is it loading? Oh my gosh, look at this crazy guy. I couldn't imagine driving in that wind, man. Especially wait, what's ironic is me and Hops drive the same vehicle. His is a Nissan, mine's a Chevy. But they're both the same thing. Mine's manufactured by Nissan for Chevy. It's like a hamster. It looks like a hamster. But this thing is literally like a wind sail. Like this, if somebody farts too hard on the sidewalk, this thing's gonna flip over. I couldn't imagine driving through all this craziness. Was that lightning? I guess I never really thought about lightning during a hurricane. That's like equally or doubly as terrifying. All right, we'll close that. Give the stream a little bit of a de-stressor, just in case the quality's not really coming through. Am I talking loud enough for you guys? Can't really tell. Let's see. I think I mentioned it already. My new Coinbase card arrived, so the old one is being retired. I think I'm gonna frame it. Bitcoin total 3, ETH, Sol, ADA. Yeah. Let's see if we can find a new meme. But he'd want to look at Moodang. Yeah, this still looks great. It's like definitely a time to pay attention, in my opinion. Let's see if we can add some to our watch list. Sort by volume. Okay. Dang. Yeah, we saw this the other day. It blew up. That stinks. I think we saw it when it was down here. And it went completely crazy. I mean, it doesn't look bad anymore. Take quite a few of these guys to one clip the liquidity pool. I'm not mad at this. Ooh. There's a snipers thing now? That's awesome. Wow. This guy turned $142 into 10 grand. That's freaking awesome. Yeah, see, this is what's scary. This guy has, is that how much he has left? Quarter mil? Okay, so it does look like he sold majority of it, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna add your mom to the watch list because I like the name. Oh, my bad. Go back here, go to volume. I feel like we should just start buying Sui memes. Let's do that, guys. Let's look up Sui wallet. Let me see if Twitter has anything to say about it. Hmm. Sui run X traders analyze the charts. Let's see. This guy has 250,000 followers. This has got to be it then. Sweet. Oops. My eyes. What's it have to do with Twitter? That's kind of cool. Add to Chrome. Okay. Now, oopsie. Okay, I'll create that later. And then we'll go surfing for some sweet meme coins. We'll fund it. Let's see if that is even compatible with Dex Screener. So if I click on this, accept, that almost looks like it says Cletus. Connect wallet. Okay, they do have Sweet. We can also do Sweet Wallet. This is actually kind of impressive. You know what's weird? I didn't know that Coin98 was still around. That's very interesting. What is this Sweet Wallet, though? Is that better than Sweet? It seems $125 million market cap, but it is Sweet, so I'll add it to the watch list because it's up there in volume. Okay. Here's Mudang again. Giga Chad. So we got Hippo already. What about Loopy? Loopy is 16 hours old. $12.1 million market cap. It's on Sui. What do you guys think? Is this a buy? See, I can't tell if the liquidity's locked or not, though. This one you can't tell either. I wonder why that is. Yeah, those are the only two Sui coins in the top volume right now. Oh, I'm wrong. Sui Man is also in there. 1.9 mil market cap. So if this has 1.9 mil market cap, there's no reason where to go. There was another one. We got Hippo and Loopy. There's no reason this one can't go. Oh, it's at 12.1 million. What the heck? 12.1 versus, what did I say? 1.9. Okay, so this could probably go way higher than this. Probably has potential for a 12x. Interesting. Where can I buy Sui? Let's go. I'm sure I can buy it on Bitunix and transfer it. That might not be a bad idea. Let me check the Discord really quick, guys. Let's see. Do you guys know where I can buy Sui and transfer it? Ooh, okay. The ping cord does work for the live stream. For some reason it alerted for the shorts upload as well though. And I like to upload my shorts super duper late at night, like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning sometimes. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to disable that specifically for the shorts at least, because I don't want people getting pissed off that my shit's alerting at fucking 1 a.m. You know, that would drive me crazy. Let's see where we can buy this dang thing. Market cap is only 5.165 bill. It's only number 20, honestly. This thing could run. So it's on Binance. It's on, is it on Coinbase? No way. Can I buy this on Coinbase? I can. That's a game changer, guys. I'm probably the last person to find out that Sui is on Coinbase. That's stupid. It looks like we're getting a little bit of recovery. That's good. I don't know. I don't know. Kind of making me feel icky. Am I being a baby? Maybe I am. Okay, I had no idea we could get this on Coinbase. That's awesome. So maybe we'll probably buy some Sui on Coinbase. Maybe a little more Sol. We'll wait until payday. I'll wait until Friday. Get my paycheck, so I'm not going crazy. They just got USDC as well. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, Sui is definitely on our radar. Hmm. Not really anything going on, to be honest. I was expecting some decent volatility with this move. You know, it's middle of the week. We're getting a decent pullback. Apparently nobody cares. TradingView says strong sell, which is bullish. Plus token China related, kind of Ponzi related coins move to exchanges. Let's see. Let's check out this article. Oof. Charge for crypto market makers, employees with market manipulation and fraud. Isn't that what a market maker is supposed to do? Am I crazy? Where did the article that I just read go? 53 to 87K range. Wow. Trap between 50 and 200 averages as bond market volatility spikes, Chinese stock slide. Where the heck? There it is. Bitcoin dips below 61K. Ether slips 3%. I don't know why they call it Ether. That always bugged me. As some plus token China Ponzi related coins move to exchanges. One observer noted 7,000 plus token related ETH transferred to crypto exchanges on Wednesday, raising concerns about potential selling pressure. I don't know what plus tokens are. Cryptocurrencies continued to show weakness on Wednesday, with Bitcoin dipping below 61,000 in stark contrast with the U.S. stocks, which climbed to new records. Bitcoin started the day around 62,000, then slipped ever lower during the later hours of the U.S. trading session to 60,400, down 2.4% over the past 24 hours. Ether held up slightly better for the most part of the day, then dived 3.2%. What likely weighed on prices was reports circulating about seized cryptos linked to plus token Ponzi scheme being moved to exchanges during the day. Raising concerns of potential selling pressure coming to the market, Chinese authorities seized nearly $4 billion worth of crypto, including ETH, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, XRP, from plus token operators in November of 2020. One observer noted that some 7,000 ETH worth $16 million of the remaining 1.3 billion ETH has moved to exchanges in the past 24 hours, which may indicate an intention to sell the assets. In early August, the remnants of ETH seized from the multi-billion-dollar Plus token scheme awoke on-chain for the first time since 2021. Over the last 24 hours, about 7,000 ETH of the remaining 542,000 ETH, 1.3 billion, was sent to exchanges indicating intent to begin selling the remaining tokens. Microcaps pump on market manipulation charges. What microcaps? Robo Inu. One of the tokens mentioned in the documents more than doubled in price for a brief minute on the news and was still up 20% during the day. Prosecutors created a cryptocurrency called Next Fund AI token at the direction of law enforcement for the investigation. A court document showed a token with the ticker NEX with insignificant market value surged as much as 3,500% as speculators rushed to chase the potential token to profit off the attention. Then its price quickly tumbled, as the document also said that prosecutors had already disabled trading with the token before unsealing the charges. I'm confused. They screwed a bunch of people over? Since when is that allowed? Maybe I'm misreading that. Let's see. Bitcoin's kind of still doing a whole lot of nothing, guys. Whole lot of nothing. I'm actually surprised at the amount of nothing that Bitcoin is doing right now. We got 12 minutes until the daily close. Total freeze, not bad looking. ETH looks Sol looks ADA actually looks halfway decent, which is weird. Really quick, I'm gonna get the TV show recommendation out of the way. I'm gonna throw it out there. Oh, Mr. Mario, Peaches, and a dog. How's it going, Mr. Mario? Happy Wednesday. We're getting ready for the daily close. TV show recommendation. I was gonna go with Andor. It is on Disney Plus. It's a Star Wars spin-off series, and it is based on Cassian Andor from Rogue One. It's his backstory. So far, only season 1 is out. It's so amazing so far. Like, blew my mind. It doesn't even feel like it's in the Star Wars universe. Like, a lot of the newer Star Wars stuff is coming out, and it's very much like shoehorned political agenda junk. Andor does not have that. It's just like good old-fashioned, gritty Star Wars drama. It's really, really well done. Definitely check it out. Highly recommend. It's on Disney Plus, season 1. Let me check when season 2 is coming out. What have I done? 2025? Okay, so next year, season 2 is expected to release. So that's exciting. Let's get back to Bitcoin. Mr. Mario said, how many transsexuals in it? 0, actually. Andor does not have the shoehorned political agenda. It's just a good old-fashioned, like, Star Wars story. It's really, really well done. Check it out, and then report back to me and let me know what you think, because I know exactly what you're talking about. That stuff, in my opinion, when it's not forced, I don't care if it's in there, if it's not forced. If it's natural, that's great. But when they try to make every single thing about that topic, it drives me crazy, because they're taking this artwork and they're turning it into like a political discussion. And I'm not trying to watch a movie for a political discussion. I'm trying to watch a movie. It's escapism. It's literally science fiction. Like, they're in space. Why do I want to have a conversation about a politically charged topic when I'm watching a fucking space movie? Mr. Murray said, yes, they tried to revolve the story around it somehow. Pointless. It's so shoehorned, and it physically hurts to watch, because they're taking these beautiful intellectual properties and they're turning them into just nonsense rhetoric about hot topics, and it's ruining these, especially something like Lucasfilm. Check out Andor. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Fucking amazing show. It'll blow your mind. If you have not seen it yet, you're gonna watch it and you're gonna go, holy shit, how have I not watched this yet? You're gonna freak out. And then you're gonna freak out even more knowing that you have to wait a year for the next season. It's been out for over a year now. It was so good, man. So fucking good. The guy, let me just really quick, just for explanation. This guy right here, Stellan Skarsgård, Luthen, so fucking badass. Every character is badass, but Luthen is a fucking like crazy badass motherfucker. I'm not gonna say anything more. I don't want to spoil it. You gotta watch it though, like for sure. Real quick, let's go check up on Hurricane Milton. Okay, shaky cameras. This one went black and white. Why does the sky look clear here? It's freaky, man. So freaky. I guess I've never really like watched a hurricane. Is that weird? Like I usually just hear about the aftermath and watch it like after the fact. What happened in the Appalachian Mountains is a damn shame. That's fucked up. I feel bad for all those people. Hmm. That's very interesting. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance is kind of starting to curl down. This Total 3 is doing pretty decent. So is ETH and Sol and ADA. Very surprising. Yeah, Bitcoin is just kind of hovering above the bathtub right now. Our Doom fractal. At one point, I believe it was about halfway. Yeah, I think it's still halfway through our Doom fractal. So the daily is going to close pretty red. There is a potential for it to W off of where it's at, though. Like if it does the same thing that it did here, where it just hovers there for 3-4 days, and then goes up again, I wouldn't mind that. What are you guys thinking? You guys got any meme coins you want to show in the chat as well? We can take a look at some meme coins. We were working on the watch list earlier. Looking at Sui Man. We are gonna set up a Sui wallet with Sweet, and with the Sui meme coins, with the top volume ones at least, it doesn't show the locked liquidity. So I'm assuming because Sui's like a newer thing, maybe that's why. But exercise caution if you decide to get into any of these. I personally know nothing about it. Lock-in looks great today. I thought this was pretty red. Apparently it recovered. Kekek got a nice pullback, 31%. Might be a decent buy opportunity on Kekek. Let's look at Pog. Oof, this thing went up 35%. Damn, we bought the wrong memes, guys. I bought the only ones that went down. I got Flying Spaghetti Monster and Dark Magician Girl, which Dark Magician Girl got absolutely obliterated. It just sucks, man. That's what happens, though. That's what happens when you gamble on memes. What was I just looking at? That went up. Was it Pog? Yeah. Yeah, this thing's up 35% today. Shit, guys. They definitely have a bot trading on it for volume, though. That's the only thing that throws me off. Because they're like trying to attract they're trying to attract traders. Which makes me, I don't know. I always assume the worst. Especially with memes because they rug so often. I'm very nervous. After this candle came out of nowhere. And I'm sure somebody knows TA somewhere and they can point out like that it was obvious for whatever reason, but you know, I didn't see it. I knew that we were going down, but I wasn't expecting a fucking giant candle. Fucking liquidation god candle out of nowhere. Make some people shit their pants. Sweet's going up a little bit. Okay, that's very nice. Guys, thank you for joining. Don't forget to hit that like button, please. I appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. If you could also ring the bell for notifications. That goes a long way as well. Anything you guys can do to help the channel grow is very much appreciated. Yeah, alts just kind of look like they're waiting, really. Everyone's waiting for confirmation. The S fractal on the S&P looks great. We got 2 minutes till the daily close. Let's make sure we don't miss it today. Should I keep it on the 15-minute for the daily close? Mario said, ban the people from the Discord who don't join the live. Right? Mario, I'm not a mod in the Discord. We got another minute till the daily close. All right, that was it. Let's see. Okay, we're getting some green. I like to see that immediate reaction. That's nice. Okay. Starting to go down a little again. Total 3. Yeah. Pretty chill so far. Pretty chill. All right. There we go. Everyone's calling for like these crazy moves down to like 57K and stuff. Like if we're gonna go that low, we might as well go down to the 53, you know, mine down here. Zoom out a little more, go to the daily. Yep. Yeah, 52.8. So we did instead of getting rid of the old fractal, we did move it over. And then we also have a doom fractal over here. So far so good on that. It's not ripping to the downside, which is great. Let's go back in on lower time frame. It's kind of a nothing burger of a daily close, being honest. Alts actually look halfway decent, which is weird. Bitcoin dominance is starting to fade out, maybe. Let's see if Bitcoin dominance actually like topped. Starting to gap down. Yeah. It's a lower high. I'd love to see this just continue to the downside. Oof. Is that head and shoulders though? That's scary. Yeah. Maybe we do get some negativity. Mario, take it easy, man. I'll probably be gone when you return, so have a good night. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it for now. Doesn't look like Bitcoin's doing anything. I don't know if I'll be on again for crypto. I might live stream a game or something in a little bit. Yeah, thank you guys for joining. If you're in Florida, stay safe. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications. I appreciate you guys. Happy Wednesday. Take it easy.